Are you ready to discover the vibrant, earthy secret that can revolutionize your well-being? Get ready to dive into the amazing world of beetroot, a true superfood packed with benefits that will leave you feeling energized, revitalized, and ready to conquer the world. Before we go too deep into the amazing benefits of beetroot, let me introduce you quickly to our amazing organic Super Reds product. Super Reds contains the highest amount of fruit and vegetable extracts known to help improve blood flow by increasing our body's production of nitric oxide, boosting blood circulation, supporting brain and cognitive function, sexual health, heart health, immune function, and helping to maximize your body's overall health. This is by far the easiest way to incorporate all the benefits of beetroot.
What is one of the most important molecules in our body? We literally can't live without it. Nitric oxide. Nitric oxide is crucial for healthy circulation, blood flow, brain and cognitive function, liver growth and regeneration, energy, recovery, stress, sexual health, libido, and most importantly, maximizing the health and performance of the most important organ in your body, your heart. That's because it acts as the body's vasodilator. This means it relaxes the walls of our blood vessels, effectively widening the blood vessels and allowing blood to flow more efficiently, helping to lower blood pressure while getting more blood circulating through your body to carry crucial oxygen and nutrients to where they are needed. But as we age, the nitric oxide that our body produces continues to decline. In fact, by the time we turn 50, our nitric oxide production is about half of what it was in our 20s, which can compromise our immune system, energy and stress levels, blood pressure, and our heart. But are you getting enough? Introducing livegood Organic Super Reds. Formulated with only the highest quality, 100% certified organic ingredients from the purest places on the planet, Super Reds is packed with the most powerful antioxidant-rich ingredients, proven to boost your nitric oxide production and help maximize your cardiovascular health. And with certified organic beets that even Super Beets doesn't have, plus powerful ingredients that you won't find in Organifi's red juice, like antioxidant-rich hawthorn berry and vitamin-packed superfruit aronia berry, all for a price that beats all of them. Click the link below to get $5 off your first order and see why Super Reds is quickly becoming the go-to product by people ready to take control of their cardiovascular health.
Now back to beetroot. Beetroot isn't just a pretty face, it's a nutritional powerhouse. This vibrant root vegetable is brimming with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can significantly impact your health. We're talking about a natural way to boost your athletic performance, support your heart health, and even enhance your brain function. If you're a heart patient or simply looking to protect your cardiovascular system, beetroot is your new best friend. The high nitrate content in beetroot converts to nitric oxide in your body, which helps relax and dilate blood vessels. This process effectively lowers blood pressure, reducing the risk of heart disease and stroke. Folate, also known as vitamin B9, is abundant in beetroot. Folate is essential for cell growth and function, and it plays a crucial role in preventing damage to blood vessels. Regular beetroot consumption can be a delicious and effective way to support a healthy heart. Calling all fitness buffs. Want to take your workouts to the next level? Beetroot can give you the edge you need. It improves oxygen use and blood flow to your muscles during exercise, boosting your stamina and increasing oxygen uptake. This means you can push harder, go longer, and achieve your fitness goals faster. Imagine running that extra mile, lifting heavier weights, or simply feeling less fatigued during your daily activities. Beetroot can help make that a reality. It's a natural performance enhancer that will have you feeling like a true athlete. Inflammation is the enemy of good health, but beetroot is here to fight back. It's loaded with betalains, powerful antioxidants that combat oxidative stress and inflammation throughout your body. These antioxidants help protect your cells from damage, reducing your risk of chronic diseases and promoting overall well-being. By incorporating beetroot into your diet, you're arming your body with a natural defense against inflammation. It's a delicious and effective way to support your long-term health. A healthy gut is essential for overall well-being, and beetroot can help you achieve just that. It's high in fiber, which promotes regularity, prevents constipation, and supports gut health by feeding beneficial bacteria. A happy gut means better digestion, improved nutrient absorption, and a stronger immune system. Fiber is also linked to a reduced risk of chronic diseases like colon cancer, heart disease, and type 2 diabetes. So by adding beetroot to your diet, you're not just supporting your digestive health, you're investing in your long-term well-being. Want to keep your mind sharp and focused? Beetroot can help. It contains nutrients like folate that support cognitive health and may protect against dementia and memory loss. By improving blood flow to the brain, beetroot helps ensure that your brain cells get the oxygen and nutrients they need to function optimally. Whether you're a student, a professional, or simply someone who wants to maintain cognitive clarity as you age, beetroot can be a valuable addition to your diet. It's a natural way to support brain health and keep your mind sharp. Beetroot is packed with essential vitamins and minerals, including folate, manganese, copper, potassium, iron, and vitamin C. And the best part? It's low in calories, fat, and cholesterol, making it a healthy addition to any diet. You can enjoy all the benefits of beetroot without worrying about derailing your health goals. Research suggests that beetroot may have anti-cancer properties. It contains compounds like betaine, ferulic acid, rutin, camphorol, and caffeic acid, which may slow the growth of cancer cells. While more research is needed, these findings are promising and highlight the potential of beetroot as a cancer-fighting food. Iron is an essential component of red blood cells, which transport oxygen around the body. Beetroot contains iron, making it a valuable food for preventing anemia. If you're at risk of iron deficiency, adding beetroot to your diet can help boost your iron levels and support healthy red blood cell production. Beetroot is incredibly versatile and can be enjoyed in a variety of ways. Try it raw in salads, juiced for a refreshing drink, roasted for a savory side dish, or pickled for a tangy treat. You can also add it to soups, smoothies, dips, and even baked goods. While beetroot is generally safe and healthy, there are a few things to keep in mind. Beeturia, the harmless red discoloration of urine, can occur after eating beets. Eating more than 1 cup a day may contribute to gout and kidney stones in some individuals. Beetroot also contains sugar and FODMAPs, so consult your doctor if you have concerns about blood glucose levels or digestive issues. So, are you ready to unlock the incredible health benefits of beetroot? Start incorporating this superfood into your diet today and experience the difference it can make in your energy levels, athletic performance, heart health, and overall well-being. Don't wait any longer to experience the amazing benefits of beetroot. Here's what you can do right now. Try a new beetroot recipe this week. Explore the delicious options mentioned above and find your favorite way to enjoy this superfood. Share this video with your friends and family. Help them discover the power of beetroot and improve their health. Subscribe to our channel for more health and nutrition tips. We're here to help you live your healthiest and happiest life. Let's embrace the beetroot revolution together. Your body will thank you for it.